What does this guy have? He has MP40. It's pretty funny. It's pretty funny. See, they do it again. They got grenades. This one's got a carbine. This one's got a carbine. I'm just gonna end it after this. It doesn't matter. He's throwing crap at me. There's a bazooka. As you can that's the names. Look, there's another bazooka. That's pretty funny. There's the STG. This is pretty funny. It's pretty funny. Maybe I'm just gonna. Want me to just end it? Yeah, I got it. Well, if they win this one, we might as well. It's pretty funny. It's pretty funny. Oh my. Oh well. Go game, boys.